Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make wine at home the easy way. First, let's gather our essential equipment. You'll need a primary fermenter, a secondary fermenter, an airlock, and a hydrometer. Next, select your fruit. Grapes are classic, but berries or even dandelions work too. Remember, sanitation is key. Clean everything meticulously with a good sanitizer to ensure your wine starts off perfectly. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now let's prepare your fruit. Wash it thoroughly, then crush it to release the juices. If using grapes, destem them. Transfer the pulp and juice to your primary fermenter. Add your sugar, typically 2 to 3 pounds per gallon, and then pitch your wine yeast. Stir everything well. Secure the lid with an airlock and let it ferment for about 5 to 7 days at a consistent temperature, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. After primary fermentation, it's time for secondary fermentation. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean secondary fermenter, leaving all the sediment behind. This process is called racking. Attach an airlock and let it sit for several weeks, or even a few months, to clarify and develop flavor. You might rack it 1 or 2 more times to ensure a clear, sediment-free wine. Patience here truly pays off. Finally, the exciting part, bottling your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are perfectly sanitized. Carefully siphon the clear wine into your clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork the bottles securely. Store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place, ideally at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 6 months to allow it to age and mature. Then, enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.